Just hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat.
Oh man, okay, alright,
What's poppin'? It's your boy Cris.without.a.h, and for today's video, I'll be doing a self-cut video for y'all. You already know what time it is, so smash that like button, y'all feel me? But without further ado, let's get straight to this video. So right now, I'll be separating top from the bottom using a comb and some duck clips. So right now, I'll be using my number 4 guard level fully closed, and that will be the length for the sides. So right after that, I'll go with my number 1 guard, lever fully closed, and I'll be going about half an inch up. So right after that, I'll have my number 1.5 guard, lever fully closed, and I'll be going about half an inch up. So once I'm done with that step, I'll be going under that guideline using my number 1 guard, and slowly and surely, I'll be closing the lever the lower I go. So once I'm done with that step, I'll be going back with my number 1.5 guard, and I'll be flicking out with my lever halfway open, and then I'll open it fully. That way I can go to the next step. So once I'm done blending that section out, I'll be going with my number 2 guard, lever fully closed, and slowly and surely I'll be opening the lever the higher I go up. So right after that, I'll be going my number 3 guard, and I'll be blending that 3 to a 4. And for the right side, I basically just did the exact same steps I did for the left side, so I'm gonna fast forward it.
Purchase your track today.
So I didn't go fully around with the number 4 guard, so I'm gonna do that right now.
Let's start with the premise.
So right now, I'm gonna grab my wall matching clippers, and I'm gonna have the lever fully closed, and that'll be my bald guideline. Once I'm done with that, I'll have the lever fully open, and I'll be going about half an inch up. So to blend this section out, I'll be having the lever 1/4 open, and I'll slowly and surely be opening the lever the higher I go up. So right after blending that section out, I'll have my number 1.5 guard, and I'll be going about half an inch up, and yeah. Going under that guideline, I'll be having my number 1 guard, and I'll be closing the lever the lower I go.
Purchase your tracks today.
So that number 1 close did not blend that out, so I'm gonna go with my half guard. That way I can blend that 0 to that 1.5. So once I'm done using my half guard, I'll be going back with my number 1 guard, and I'll have the lever halfway open. That way I can blend that 0 to that 1.5. So once I blended that 0 to that 1.5, I'll be going my number 2 guard, lever fully closed, and I'll be going about half an inch up. So right under that guideline, I'll be going my 1.5 guard, and I'll be opening the lever the higher I go up. So right after that, I'll be getting my number 3 guard, and I'll be just blending the rest from that 0 to a 4. So right now, I'm going to be lining up my back taper using my retro Cutz. So for the hairline, I'll be going my 1.5 guard with the grain, and yeah. And right now, I'm just gonna be lining up everything that I did. So right here I got my elegant shaving gel, and I'm gonna add a little bit to my finger right there, and I'm gonna add it to my forehead. That way I can start the straight razor process. And right now I'm gonna be starting the straight razor process going against the grain. So right now I'm going to be taking out all the duck clips, that way I can start to style my hair. So I got my product right here, which is the pomade, and I'm going to be adding it to my hair, that way I can style it to that slick back look. ladies and gentlemen, I present to you my self-cut, which is the taper and some sideburns. But that's besides the point. This was the cut. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. This will help me out a lot. The beats that I use in this video, they'll be in the links down in the description down below. But it's your boy Cris without an H, and I'm out of here. Peace.